Cherry Red comes from a vineyard planted in 1977. It's dry farmed head trained Zinfandel. Has a little bit of Chenin Blanc planted up in this vineyard, so there's a little bit of white wine that goes into this blend. It's then blended with Syrah and Mourvèdre. It's a wine I've been producing since starting Linne Calodo. It's near and dear to my heart. It has big, ripe, rich flavors of cherry, amazingly, and it draws in the palate, draws in the intrigue like no other wine I've ever consumed. This is why I make wine, is because of Cherry Red. I fell in love with it when I was in college, and I love it today.
Leave a trace.